everyone, this is Big Pink. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite Hong Kong style foods, and that is creamy sweet corn chicken with rice. Hi again! My sous chef already cut the chicken thighs into chunks for me. Here I have 2 packs of dark chicken meat. Now I'm going to show you what I used to marinate the chicken. First, some black pepper. I never measure when I cook, so you can add the seasoning according to your preference. Then, soy sauce. Here I'm using a Japanese soy sauce, but you can use pretty much any soy sauce you like. I'm using a spoon because I don't want the soy sauce to splash. Then I'm going to add some mirin. Mirin is a type of rice wine. Compared to sake, it has a lower alcohol and higher sugar content, so mirin has a sweet flavor. Next, I'm adding some sake, which is a kind of Japanese rice wine. I'm now adding some salt, but you don't have to if you don't like your food too salty. Or you just add salt to replace the soy sauce, however you like it. And finally, I'm going to add some cornstarch. Now you can mix all the ingredients together. After mixing, you can let them sit in the fridge for like 15 to 30 minutes. I'm using 2 cans of cream-style sweet corn. My sous chef already prepared the steamed rice for me. Let's cook! Since I'm cooking a lot of food here, I'm using a wok. You can, however, use a deep frying pan to make the dish. First, heat up the wok. Use high heat. Then, add some oil to the wok. Coat the wok with the oil to prevent the chicken sticking to the wok. You can of course use less oil if you use a non-stick wok or pan. After the oil is heated up, add the meat to the wok. Then start stirring. When the chicken is like 80% cooked, add the sweet corn. Then stir to mix them well. To make the sauce thicker, I'm going to add some cornstarch water. Here I'm using 1 big spoon of cornstarch. Then add some cold water to it. Oops! Don't do what I just did, okay? That was an idiotic move. Now add the cornstarch water. Then stir again. To finish, place the sweet corn chicken over the steamed rice. Voila! The Hong Kong style creamy sweet corn chicken rice is done! I hope you like my sharing. If you do, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.